So in our case, what I did was I sent out those 600 emails, and in this image, there was a roll-up, and I placed store name on the roll-up. Okay, so that by far my favorite hack. Few months I'm totally into cold emailing. I mean, it's kind of fun because I would say, okay, cold mail, this just doesn't work. But for me, it's like insane return on investment. So here is actually the how I'm doing right now. So in every industry on this planet, they have some major brands that if you visit their corporate web pages, you will find in that they list all the authorized dealers and distributors in every single country. Yeah. So I did this for in our hunting brand, for example, Browning is they're gun producers from France. They're like kind of like a Bentley, you know, if you're buying a car. Yeah. So if you go on their web page, you can find, for example, for Germany, you can find every single authorized dealer that is selling their products. Yeah. And in most cases, you can also find their contacts, like for address, zip code, store name, and also email. Many. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So I scrap all the emails. So I will give you like an example for France. In France, there is between 1,300 to 1,500 stores in France, hunting stores. So right now I have, till last week, I have like more than 1,000 emails from hunting stores. So what we did was I create like a Mailshake campaign. So the Mailshake campaign, it's you can connect it directly to your Google Gmail account. Sure. And the last blast that I sent out was, so I sent out, I think, around 600 emails. And the idea was very simple. So I sent them like, in the subject line, subject line was like for store name, you know, like for chat, just that it was replaced with a store name. And it's a plain text. And in the plain text, I said, okay, so my name is Timotej brand. You probably already heard about Blackfire, the famous whiteboard attractant that's taking the world by storm, and this like very aggressive affiliate approach, you know? But the main trigger inside the email is that I embed a photo, an image of a roll-up. Okay, so our brand image is very attractive. So we have those roll-ups. Yeah. And on this roll-up, there is a service that I found that you can actually you can generate personalized images on the fly. So in our case, what I did was I sent out those 600 emails with roll-up inside the plain text email. And in this image, there was a roll-up, and I placed store name on the roll-up. And I told them, look, so if you decide to buy one pallet of our products, I already have a roll-up for you, and I will give you this roll-up for 50% off.
Which does not exist.
Here is the thing. Of course not. But it looks, it's not a mock, you know, because it's actually a real picture, but then you can just put, because like I can share the service. It's like amazing service that it offers you to build on the fly personalized images. And so the results were that after the first blast, we got 40 hot leads. So in my case, hot lead is when a store owner reply to an email and say, hey, I would like to receive terms and the price list.
And my full free pull-up.